All right, stepping on the back swim platform here. We come into the cockpit area. Nice U-shaped seating. Here, all the vinyl was replaced about 1.5 years ago. It's got the nice etched-in Silverton. Got a wet bar here. Ice maker that does get cold, but does not make ice, but it will get cold and hold ice. You got another seating area right here. Pass through. This is the helm station. You got separate throttles and shifters. All the controls, depth finders, all the engine meters, RPMs, fuel gauge. Here's the number of hours on the motors. Sitting at 135 right now. You have a pass-through window. I also have new sun pads. I'll show those in a minute. They're not on at the moment. New sun pads. Here's the new anchor and new anchor road and leader chain foot pedals. This is a relatively good shape Bimini. Been replaced in the last few years. All that. So now we'll go down inside, take a look. This is the inside seating area. I have some tables that can mount here. We find it better to have the tables out, so we unmounted them. It's way more room in here. Lots of storage. Lots of places to keep stuff. Here in the back is another lounge area. It also has a table. We don't use it because we tend to use this area either for storage or for another seating area. Over there is the new sun cushions. They're relatively new as well. They've been redone. They go up on the front. They're not on there at the moment. Here's the galley. 2-burner stove, microwave, lots of storage, sink area. This is our dehumidifier that we put in here to keep things good. It is an AC only fridge, but the fridge does work. So it doesn't run on battery power. You probably could convert that. This is the queen size berth, mounted TV, all new bedding, foam topper on the mattress. Lots of storage here as well. And then lastly, here's the head, stand up separate shower, teak flooring on the bottom that we put in. Have replaced the shower head recently, and there's a sink and all the stuff necessary for that. Sorry for catching myself in the mirror there. So it's all in all good shape. The genset, we'll look at the motors in a minute, but there are 454 Crusaders, some of the top in the industry. Let's go look at these. All right, here we are looking at the engine room. These are the Crusader XLs, 454s, they're actually 502s. Have been really solid motors, and no problems. There's the water heater back there. There's a subwoofer that we have. You got fuel tanks on both sides. Holds 380 gallons of gas. You have the batteries here, including a genset. However, the genset is not operational. It needs to be repaired. With the right mechanic, you can get it repaired. We've had some trouble finding a mechanic to work on it here on Ray Hubbard, but with the right mechanic, you can have it. However, there's a 3 battery charger, engine room heater to make sure that things stay good there. So all in all, pretty good. We do, let me go show you one other thing on the air conditioner. All right, here's the AC units, a touchscreen. Touchscreen controls just recently put in about 2 months ago. There's a brand new CTM AC unit, 16,000 BTUs. It's got the control units here, and you'll notice up there that there's a thing that says Micro Air Easy Start, which is a soft start for the air conditioner, so that you have the potential to run this air conditioning unit on a portable generator rather than fixing the main generator if you choose to do that.